first I'm going to boil the onion, and that's potato. And now I am making the ingredients, guys. This is the bread. I'm going to cut it into small pieces and mix it with a little bit black pepper and sage. Yeah, black pepper and then sage. Okay. And then after that, while waiting for the onion to boil, I'm going to chop also a little bit of parsley. Yum. And guys, para i-mix din dun sa ingredients natin. Parsley. And now the onion is ready. Easy na lang siya na i-chop kasi na-boiled na siya. Lataan na siya, guys, kaya easy na lang siya i-chop into very small pieces. Yan. After nyan, we're going to put also some butter. Sana ba yun? And then, ayan, lagay na natin sa loob ng chicken, guys. Mga ingredients na hinalo-halo ko kanina. Ganyan, it's so easy. Easy lang siya, guys. And then, ready na siya. Lagay na natin dito. Dito natin yan lutuin, guys. Nasa 200 degrees yung yan. Apoy. Kasi close natin yan. Parang nasa oven lang din. And then, now we are going to do the Yorkshire pudding. Ayan, pudding. Contain flour, egg, milk. Ayan. Mix lang. Tapos yun.
I'm gonna do the gravy.
Wow, look at that! May veggie din pala kami dyan, guys. Pumpkin, carrots, at saka nandyan na yung potato kami scoop. Look at that! Looks big and yummy. Where is the veggie? Ayan, dito na, guys. Okay. At ayan na, ready to eat na, guys. Kain na tayo. Mangan tayo. Good evening, guys. Manihapon ta, guys. Dili sa ta mag-rice. Kainit.
The variety pack. Wow, I'm sure there's a cheesy one in there.
No. These, they're brown and they have like flakes.
Cars